Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to keep screen on Samsung Galaxy A55 device. Well, keeping the screen on is essential when giving presentations or demonstrations from your device, ensuring that the screen remains visible to your audience throughout the presentation. And also, keeping the screen on allows you to customize your device behavior to suit your specific needs and preferences. So how to do that? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, you have to go to the settings on your device. Well, after that, here you can select display menu. And then look for screen timeout and tap on the option. Well, after that, to keep the screen on, so here you have to activate this option by turn the toggle on like this. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to keep screen on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.